Yep.
Hi, welcome to Build Across Live. It's Tuesday, February 28th. We've been gone for a minute. We're only going to go live on Tuesdays now, just for production. So I'm going to do something a little different today for you. I decided to try some material that I got at Walmart and make a door hanger with material in the word "hi" on it. So the first thing we're gonna do is paint the "hi" and then we'll put the material on while the "hi" dries. Let me not be dyslexic here. Make sure I'm doing it the right way. So I wanted to use this sea glass. That's weird. I thought I was using vintage duck egg. But I had you start.
Do you want to show them some of these that you've been painting? Because
sure.
They come out so good.
Show them. I wanted to use vintage duck egg. I don't know why I mixed up sea glass. I've been painting, so there are going to be videos going up, tutorial videos on shapes online. Like if you click on the shape, you'll be able to see the.
Isn't that pretty? She did an Easter basket. I think it's so pretty. Let's see. Bunny butt.
Bunny butt. You'll be able to have a link to the YouTube channel if you don't follow the YouTube channel or subscribe to each video. I'm going to try and get those up today.
I'm trying to get it to both Instagram and Facebook and showing everybody.
I ordered this "hi" in a 1/8" format so that it's lighter and easier to attach.
And this is so precious. So cute.
Thanks.
I love it. I especially love the Easter basket. It's my favorite. I saw it from across the room.
The Easter basket?
Yes. It's so pretty. You pictured all of them, put them?
Uh-huh.
Good.
I haven't put them on yet, but they're all taking pictures of them. You could probably just put them in the to-go box.
Okay.
Anyway, I'm trying to get a photo and a video link to at least all the new shapes for now, and that way you can, and if there's something like you really want to see painted because you want to paint it, just shoot us an email and we'll get with you and or we'll just paint it and put a video up. I'll do it. But
Let's see what everybody's saying. We missed you guys so much. You definitely bring a bright spot to our day, too.
no.
Nan says morning. Lisa says hi, y'all. Christine, good morning, Christine. Let's see. Tore the ligament in my thumb, so I have to live vicariously through you. I'm like, live? No, we're doing it live. Shut it. They love your the shapes. Yeah.
So you will get the video to see how I painted them. And always, if you have any questions about it, email us, or if you need a tip or a pointer to dry that just a little bit so I can put a second coat on it before I move to the circle. But yeah, I don't know. They just said, hey, we're only going to paint them.
Lisa's wanting to know why we stopped the lives.
We're so busy.
It's just been really, we've been very, very busy in here.
I'm back. I just tripped on the carpet. Thank goodness y'all didn't see me.
But I will be uploading videos of painting.
Yes. We help pack now more than just on Fridays. And we just got so many people going so many different directions. And we're kind of helping fill in the holes.
If we ever get to a slow point, we'll come on more. Okay, so that's vintage duck egg. I'm going to come in with a tiny bit of caviar to give it a little bit of definition around the edges. I'm going to use the same brush, 1-inch foam brush. I'm going to dip it in the caviar, blot it just a little bit. I want it to be thicker on there so that it really pops off. Now I'm going to come around the outside edges with this foam brush. If I had to give one tip for distressing the edges of something, is keep your brush what is that, perpendicular to what you're doing. So like if I'm going this way, I'm not going to go parallel. I'm going to go perpendicular to the line. And that really gives it that like splayed out little bit of distress. Alright. I'm just getting thickness on there. On the high, I'm going to add just a little bit of a line there to show that that's actually like the dot above the eye. Okay, so there's my high. I'm going to scoot it out of the way and we're going to do our circle. This is a first for me, so I'm learning with y'all. Start by pulling out my, this is just like a pre-cut piece of fabric. I forget what they're called at Walmart. It's like a square. And so I thought this floral pattern was really pretty. So I'm going to spread it out where it looks even. I guess you could do that on the app when you put it on though. I'm thinking, what do you think, like 2 inches around? Give it a good.
I'm thinking what are we doing?
Well, I'm going to cut the circle and then I'm not going to staple all of this to the back.
I'd probably staple and then cut.
Well,
Yeah.
I figured if I marked a line lightly all the way around, I'm pretty good at eyeballing. I'm going to come in and cut just about 4 inches, it looks like, around the outside of the circle that I drew. It's so warm today. Is it gonna get cold again? Are we done? Can I buy ferns and put them outside?
I don't know. I just really don't know. I feel like we're done, but I could be wrong, Sarah. I feel like next week we'll know. It's the kids' spring break,
Yeah.
which I think next week's supposed to be pretty
Still hot.
decent.
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
really-
There's a little bit of rain.
Ladies, all right? How's everybody?
Hi.
Good. How about you?
Very nice.
Hey, if a label's been made since the 12th, that's on the people shipping it, isn't
Right,
it?
right.
Yeah, I
You
thought
just
so.
made it, haven't been shipped.
On the 12th.
Okay.
I think they lost it in their warehouse.
Call them.
I'm going to get a hold of them today. It keeps saying going to be delivered tomorrow, so I think, well, I'll just, it's gonna, but it looks like the label's just, that's all. It says on its way, but it's not really, I don't think.
They were just been made.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Yes, it's the 12th.
Have a good
Thanks.
day.
Yes, it's the 12th.
What are you waiting on?
My Stanley Cup.
You should have been called.
I know.
Yeah.
I try to be patient because we get calls, so I'm like, I'll give them the benefit of the doubt. Not anymore.
Okay, so this is a 18-inch circle, and I just cut, just jaggedly around. And now I'm gonna pull it tight, and I'm gonna staple it. And then I'm gonna pull tight and staple. After I get it like stapled around, I'll come around and staple in all my little folds and stuff. I'm using 1/4-inch staples. Because they don't go through the wood.
Betty says if you cut a little slit up to the edge, it won't be so bulky.
Ooh. I'm not a seamstress. Thank you, Betty. I just wanted to show you could use different things than paint. I've seen people use shirts, like flannel shirts. hired my yard guy to come over and clean up my yard today. Because I was like, if people are going to come over and have a grill session,
Hey, Super One has good ferns right
do
now.
they?
Yeah. And I have found that their plants really last.
I'll try again for a year. Normally they last about a year.
Yeah,
I will try again.
it's really hard to let ferns survive a season.
Yeah, Pop always says throw them out at the end of the season.
We're
They just need water and shade
planting a garden. That water part, that's what gets me, Sarah.
every day. I love it. I love coming home and watering everything. Okay.
Wait, hit it one more time.
Yeah, it didn't.
It didn't.
Mm-mm.
I mean,
Is
Yep.
it out?
no, it's not out.
It'll be
Maybe I'm not
alright.
holding it right. There. Everything else looks pretty good. Now, if I were doing this professionally, I would really get it down good, hot glue it and everything. But doesn't that look so pretty?
It is pretty.
Yeah.
So this is an 18-inch shape.
This would be really cute on a baby door hanger.
Yes, it would.
Like,
Where's my tape measure? There it is. That's the center.
I don't know. I just feel it is for me.
Is this an 18-inch? No, this is a 16-inch.
Hmm.
Okay, and so the high, is it the height or the width?
On that
14
one, I think it's almost an exact
Well, it's a
square.
yeah.
Yeah.
So 14 inches on the high, 16 inches on the circle. We're going to put some hot glue on the back of the high. My handy dandy glue gun that Casey went and got. The glue stick ran out. Okay. Just giving it some dots. If I were doing this for a customer, I would use probably E6000 and I would let it sit overnight with something on it. What do you think? There?
Mm, yeah.
There?
Mm. There.
There? There? There?
Mm-hmm.
There? Mine? Mine? Mine?
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
Gonna press it down. So again, 16-inch circle, 14-inch word high. We bought a little square material at Walmart. Hot glue, some 1/4-inch staples. Painted the high with vintage duck egg. Outlined it with some caviar. Hi.
I feel like
So
you might
cute.
want to go a little smaller on the high.
Yeah.
Okay, still cute.
Yeah.
Still cute.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Hi.
Hi.
Must be super fun.
It is super
For
fun.
spring?
Yep. And if you had some little flowers, you could do
Yes,
like,
you could
or
do
like, yeah,
flowers.
do a little,
I just loved it because it was hydrangeas.
yeah.
That's my thing. Anyway,
So cute.
Cute.
summer's done.
Definitely
The
different.
colors
I
are
like it.
pretty.
Yeah.
I know. All right.
Yes.
Well, I guess we'll see you next Tuesday.
All right, everybody.
Bye.
That was super fast.
Oh.